Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to multiply polynomials. Let's start! How to multiply polynomials. First, let us have multiplying two monomials. To multiply two monomials, first, let's multiply first the numerical coefficient. 5 times 3 is 15. And then after, the literal coefficient by applying the rules of exponent. X squared times x, that would be x cubed. 2 plus 1 becomes x cubed. So this is now our answer, 15x cubed. Another, multiply the coefficient, numerical coefficient, negative 2 times negative 13. So let's solve. 13 times 2, 6, and then 2. So that is 26. Positive 26. Negative times negative, that would be positive. So the answer is positive 26. And then copy the literal coefficient because there's no other literal coefficient here or variables. So just copy this one, x squared and then y. Another example we have here. So again, multiply the numerical coefficient. Negative 6 times 9, that is 54. Since they have different signs, so the answer is negative. Negative 54. Okay, let's proceed to the literal coefficient. X cubed times x, that would be x4. 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, and then proceed to y. Copy y. And then add the exponent. 2 plus 4 is 6. So the answer is negative 54, x to the power of 4 and y to the power of 6. So that is multiplying two monomials. Okay, this time let us have multiplying monomial by a polynomial. So this is now our monomial and then our polynomial. So to do that, we will just use the distributive property. So we will distribute 8 to the other factors of the polynomial. Okay, let's do it. First, 8 times 3x, that is 24x. Another 8 times negative 4y, that is negative 32y. 8 times positive 2z, that would be positive 16z. So this is now our answer. Let us have this, another example. This one. So same process, distribute the monomial to the other factors of the polynomial. Okay, let's start. So let us have this one, negative 2x cubed times 6x cubed. Okay, so let's multiply negative 2 times 6, that is negative 12. And then copy x, add the exponent, 3 plus 3, that is 6. Okay, and then continue to the next term, negative 2 times negative 7, that is positive 14. Copy x, add the exponent, 3 plus 2, that is 5. Continue. Negative 2 times positive 4, that is negative 8. Copy x, add the exponent, 3 plus 1, there is 1 here, so that is 4. Another negative 2 times the last term. So let's multiply negative 2 times negative 9, that is positive 18. So this is now our answer. Negative 12x to the power of 6 plus 14x to the power of 5, negative 8x to the power of 4 plus 18x to the power of 3. Let us have this another example. So same process, let's distribute. Okay, multiply 4 times 6, that is 24. Okay, and then the exponent x, 3 plus 2, that is 5. Copy y squared. Okay, let's go to the next. 4 times 5, that is positive 20. Look at the variable x times x. So copy x, 3 plus 1, that is 4. So in adding, in multiplying exponent, you will add the exponent. Okay, so another, copy y, 2 plus 1, that is 3. Okay, so let's proceed to the next term. 4 times negative 8, that is negative 32. Copy x cube and then copy y, add the exponent, 2 plus 2, that is 4. So this is now our final answer. 24x raised to the power of 5, y raised to the power of 2, plus 20x raised to the power of 4, y raised to the power of 3, minus 32x raised to the power of 3, and y raised to the power of 4. Okay, let us have multiplying binomials. Okay, so to multiply binomials, we can use the distributive property. So the principle to remember is that every term in one binomial should be also multiplied to every term in the other binomial. Okay, for you to understand further, we will solve this example. So let's distribute x times x, that is x squared, 1 plus 1, so squared. Another, this term should be distributed here, x times 7x, that is positive 7x. Okay, so let us have this one. We're done with this one, so let's proceed. 3 times x, that is positive 3x. And then 3 times 7, that is positive 21. Okay, so we are not yet done because we still need to combine this one. So let's combine x squared, 7x plus 3x, that is positive 10x. And then plus 21. So this is now our answer. Okay, another example. So we have here this one. So we will solve. Distribute 2y times 3y, that is 6y squared. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. Another 2y times 2, that is positive 4. And then copy y. And then this one, negative 5 times 3, that is negative 15. Copy y. Okay, and then negative 5 times 2, that is negative 10. Combine like terms. So copy 6y squared, 4 plus negative 15. So that would be negative 11. Copy y. So why it becomes negative 11? They have different signs. So the rules in adding integers with different sign, you will subtract their absolute value and then copy the sign of the bigger one. So 15 minus 4, that is 11, and then copy the sign which is negative because 15 is bigger than 4. And then proceed negative 10. So this is now our answer. Okay, another example. So this one, 4x plus 3y times 2x minus 5y. Okay, distribute 4x times 2x, that is 8x squared. 1 plus 1 is 2. And then continue. 4x times negative 5y, that is negative 20. 4 times negative 5, negative 20. And then copy x and y. And then this one, distribute 3y times 2x, that is positive 6. Copy x and y. Okay? And then 3y times negative 5y, negative 15. Y, 1 plus 1 squared. Combine like terms. So 8x squared, negative 20 plus 6, that would be negative 14. 20 minus 6 is 14. And then copy the sign which is of the bigger number, which is negative. So it becomes negative 14. Copy x, y minus 15y squared. Okay, so let's arrange this part. So 8x squared minus 15y squared minus 14xy. So this is now our answer. Okay, so let's proceed to multiplying two multinomials. So to do that, we will just apply the distributive property. So meaning, we will distribute each term of the one monomial to the other term of the other monomial. Okay, so for you to understand further, we will solve this example. 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 times x squared minus 3x minus 2. So let us start distributing this term to the other terms. Okay, 3x squared times x squared, that is 3x. 2 plus 2 is 4. Continue. 3x squared times negative 3x. Negative 9. 3 times 3 is 9. And then copy x. Add exponent. 2 plus 1 is 3. Another 3x squared times negative 2. Multiply 3 times negative 2. That is negative 6. Copy x squared. So we're done distributing this one. So we will proceed to the next term. Negative 4x times x squared, that is negative 4. There is 1 here. So negative 4 times 1, negative 4. And then copy x, add the exponent, 1 plus 2, that is 3. Continue, negative 4x times negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 4, positive 12. Copy x, add the exponent, 1 plus 1 is 2. And then continue, negative 4x times negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 4, positive 8. Copy x. Okay, proceed to the last term, which is 1. So 1 times x squared, that is positive x squared. 1 times negative 3x, negative 3x. 1 times negative 2, negative 2. So we're done distributing each term. So we will proceed to combining of like terms. So we will start in the term that has the highest degree. So we will just copy 3x raised to the power of 4 because there's no other term that has a degree of 4. So next to 4, we will proceed the degree of 3. So this one. So let's combine. So negative 9 and negative 4, they have the same sign. So we can add the absolute value. 9 plus 4 is 13. And then just copy their negative sign. Copy the x cubed. Okay? Let's proceed to the degrees of 2. So negative 6x squared. And then 12x squared, and then x. So negative 6x squared plus 12x squared, so that would be positive 6x squared. Okay, 12 minus 6, so we will just copy. That is positive 6x squared, and then let's combine this one, 1. So positive 6x squared plus 1, that is positive 7x squared. Okay? And then we will proceed to the degree of 1. So 8x plus negative 3x. So they have different sign. 8 minus 3. So we will subtract the absolute value because they have different sign. 8 minus 3 is 5. And then we will just copy the sign of the bigger number, positive. And then just copy x. And then the constant 2. So this is now our final answer. 3x raised to the power of 4 minus 13x raised to the power of 3 plus 7x raised to the power of 2 plus 5x minus 2. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!